thiini na uria uikaine ta Dr. Raymond omollo ni arikitie kuhingura Kigomano kia thuku ithatu na makiria kana kia thuku ithatu kia makomicona kaunti hamwe na makomicona icigo ciothe guku bururi-ini thukuruini wa Thirikari wa Kenya School of Government mwena wa kabete guku ni kaunti ya Kiambu. Akiaria hingo ya Kigomano giki omollo ni ugite ati thirikari ni irongoreiirie kugacirithia uruti wa wira wa Maabitha undu uria kugacirithia na njira nene uria makoretwo makiruta wira.
Mwandiki mukaru ministriini ya ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Raymond omollo niahingurite Kigomano kia thiku ithatu thukuruini wa Thirikari wa Kenya School of Government wa kabete ya muhuro kiria kirehete hamwe makomicona icigo ciothe inyanya cia bururi hamwe na makomicona othe ya kaunti.
We gather here today to continue a journey that started a while back in transforming the national government administration. This is a path that we have purposely chosen to undertake, knowing that the dividends to be obtained will greatly transform public service delivery.
Kigomano kiu kirongoreiirie kuhigia maabitha ya thirikari makiria hari uruti wao wa wira na kugacirithia uheani wa motungata kuri muingi makiria riri mibango ya uruti wa wira wa thirikari icenjetie kuona ati thirikari irongoreiirie gukinyaniria ukuria wa wonjoria kuhetukira agenda ya bottom up.
The motivation for this program is also grounded on the fact that the government has been reorganized and there are renewed ways of doing things. First, the government is progressively accelerating the implementation of visionary blueprint on socio-economic empowerment and inclusive prosperity under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Maabitha ya thirikari thutha wa Kigomano kiu oho ni merigiriirwo kugacirithia wira wao hari urugamiriri uthurimi hamwe na gubanga tabarira citiganite cia thirikari.
The government is keen on raising the bar in performance and delivery management. There is therefore need to enhance multi-sectoral coordination in planning, monitoring and delivery of government programs and projects. And most recently, we have undergone the signing of performance contracts.
Omollo makiria ni augite ati no marongoreiirie gutigirira ati maabitha ya thirikari ni magia na umenyo makiria hari gukuruhania na kunyitanira na anyiti itemi othe niguo gutangikira na ihenya na uria kwagiriire mathina maria meyumiragia ta uhaguku wa ugitiri ugaruruku wa riera hamwe na mangi maingi.
Now, as RCs and county commissioners, you are chairs of the security and intelligence committees, but beyond that, you're basically coordinating government programs at your jurisdictions, whether it's at the counties or at the region. And that necessitates the fact that we must really sharpen relationships with all the cadres across the various government departments.
Akiongerera omollo ni augite ati maabitha ya magitiri ha Kigomano kiu ni magukorwo na uhoti wa gutwarithia na mbere micemanio ya muingi niguo kumakuruhania hari kuheana mawoni megie tabarira na mibango etiganite ya thirikari na haha thirikari ikorwo igiteithika kumenya kiria muingi urenda hamwe na motungata maria muingi urabatara.
Away from the regulations, away from the changes in the laws or the amendments, within the various government programs that are being rolled out across the country, we must be able to engage the public. We must be able to educate them. We must also be able to get feedback.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.
Haya, tugithina kana thengio ni undu wa riboti iguru tugithina mbere ni ati na warimi akahua na